Good morning and welcome to this week's weekly report. And in this week, I'll be comparing 3 other products that are similar to my project and see how they differ and their similarities. Let's get started. So the first one is a company called Industrial Plankton. They make all-in-one systems to grow algae. So their system has a monitoring system with sensors like carbon dioxide and oxygen. They also have outputs to take out the biomass. Their air and light supply is also automated. So they give 18 hours of light for the plant and they give 12 hours of carbon dioxide. So for my system, I will also have some sensors. I have carbon dioxide sensor, the turbidity sensor to measure how opaque the liquid is to see the growth of the algae. And I also have a temperature to make sure it's in optimal condition. But this system is an all-in-one industrial system. It's more integrated and it's much easier to use compared to mine, because mine has to connect to a computer to monitor the data, while this one has a screen built in to display graphs and control the system. The next one is from NASA. It's the Omega system, and what they're trying to do is grow algae using floating enclosures on the water. So they actually treat the water and make it better. They also make oxygen and they use forward osmosis, and that extracts the salt. So they have fresh water, not seawater. It will absorb the CO2 from the natural environment and release oxygen back. This one is not very similar to mine because mine is using a closed system in a controlled environment, but this one is in an open environment, which has some benefits, like we don't need to feed it with sunlight, and we don't need to give it carbon dioxide because it just extracts it from the atmosphere. The third one is from Hypergiant. It's their green R&D, which is an industrial EOS bioreactor. This one is you can place it in a room and it will extract carbon dioxide in this it's like a big box which has algae growing inside of it, and it will act. This system, which is around 3 meters by 3 meters, is as effective as growing 1 acre of tree because it's so optimized and it's in a very controlled environment. This one also has smart features like an AI-driven process, clean exhaust output, and has harvest, so you can actually grow species which you can eat, like spirulina. This is actually what I want to do in the beginning, but it uses machine learning, which is a process where you need to feed them with a lot of information, and that's a bit hard. So thank you for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.